Do you want to get thousands of views on your YouTube shorts? Let me give you 5 quick tips to boost your channel right now.
Whoa!
What are these tips? Find the topic, use tools, publish the video, be active, and the last one is the most important tip that I will give you today. First, find the right topic. Look at trends, see what people are already watching, and create content that fits your niche but also connects with trending ideas. And how can I find a topic? If you have already published the videos, you can analyze your videos to find your niche. In fact, there are many tools that allows you to analyze your video to understand what your audience likes. Or if you're new, you can find the topic you like the most and make videos about it. For example, if you like to play video games, you can make video about Fortnite, Minecraft, or other video games. Second, use tools. Analytics, scheduling apps, and even AI can help you plan better, optimize titles, and get the right hashtags. Here's the most 3 useful tools. The first is YouTube Analytics tools, the second is Vidic browser extension, and the third is TubeBuddy browser extension. Third, don't overthink it. Publish the video. The more you upload, the more chances you have to reach new people. Consistency is the key. The important steps you have to follow when you publish a video is to upload a video with the YouTube app. Second is to choose the sound, and I suggest you to choose the recommended sounds. Third is to add a catchy title using 2 capital words at the beginning. And the fourth is to hide likes count. If you hide likes count, people are more encouraged to watch the video and not to skip it. Fourth, be active. Reply to comments, interact with other creators, and keep your community alive. The algorithm loves activity. And finally, focus on engagement and retention. Hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds, keep the pace fast, and make them want to watch until the end. Follow these 5 steps and you'll start seeing growth on your shorts. If you want more YouTube tips like this, don't forget to subscribe.